Most people in 2026 feel stuck, working hard every day but earning nothing meaningful. Something is missing in their skill set. They follow traditional paths. School, job, struggle cycle continues. But the real world has changed completely. The truth is simple. Income is no longer about time. It is about high-value skills. Listen carefully, look around. People wasting hours scrolling. Distracted minds everywhere. No focus means no future growth. If you want $10,000 per month in 2026, you must think differently and upgrade your skill stack, but most people don't even know where to start. Confusion kills progress, and fear keeps them stuck. That's why I will show you 3 powerful skills that can change everything for you. Imagine 2 futures, one of struggle, one of freedom. The choice starts with skills. Stay until the end, because the third skill is the highest paying one right now. Most people quit too early. They never reach the breakthrough stage. Don't be that person. Skill 1 is AI content creation. Businesses are paying creators more than ever in 2026. Every brand needs videos, ads, scripts, but they don't have time to create them themselves. If you learn AI tools, you can produce content in minutes and sell it globally. Freelancers using this skill are already earning thousands monthly. Even beginners are winning. The key is consistency, not perfection. Post daily and improve slowly. Think of endless online demand. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram ads, all need content. Skill 2 is digital marketing. This is where money really moves in the online world. Without marketing, even good products fail. Attention is the new currency. You learn how to bring customers, convert views into sales, and businesses will pay you high fees. Every company, small or big, fights for attention online. Marketers control that attention. Start with social media ads, SEO, funnels, build real-world results. Even a small skill in marketing can turn into full-time income if applied correctly. Now skill 3, this one can change your life the fastest. Data is everywhere. Companies are drowning in information, but they need insights. That's where AI automation comes in. Building systems that work while you sleep. Automate emails, customer support, content posting. Save time for businesses. People who master automation become extremely valuable because they replace manual work. Imagine systems running 24/7, generating income even when you rest. That is the power. Combine AI plus marketing plus automation, and you become unstoppable. If you learn even one of these deeply, your income potential changes forever. Now growth begins. Start practicing daily instead of just watching videos. Early learners struggle at first, but consistency builds confidence. Step-by-step growth. Build small projects, offer services. Real experience matters more than theory. Every expert was once a beginner. They just didn't quit. Don't wait for perfect timing. Start with one and have the internet rewards action, not intention. Do it now. Build a portfolio. Show your work. Clients trust results. Even small earnings in the beginning lead to bigger opportunities. Keep improving your skills weekly. Compound growth is real. Your environment will not change you. Your habits will. Now you start earning small income. First $100, then $1,000. Confidence grows with results, not motivation. Clients start trusting you more. Reputation builds slowly. You move from learner to earner. Transformation begins now. Scale your services. Increase your rates strategically. More skill equals more freedom. Less stress. You start thinking like a business owner, not just a worker. Opportunities start finding you instead of you chasing them. At this stage, discipline becomes your biggest asset. You are no longer average. You are building leverage. Now success phase begins. Income becomes stable and scalable. Freedom starts showing up. Flexible time. Remote work. You can work from anywhere. Laptop lifestyle becomes real. Financial stress disappears slowly. Replaced by control, now you help others learn too. Teaching multiplies income. Your skills now create opportunities for others. This is true freedom. Time and money both in control. You realize it was never luck. It was skills. If you are serious, subscribe now and start your journey today. Final message. Your future depends on what you learn now. Act before it's too late.